Day 2 of sick week. We're about to head to the track. Got the car started up. A couple other cars stayed here last night. They're already gone. But let's go. We just got to the track. We're parked here next to Cletus. Boosted Boys is in our spot where we were at yesterday, and we're chilling right here close to the staging lanes. Probably give you guys some video without commentary, just so y'all can kind of get the experience and experience it yourself and your perspective without me running my mouth all the time. But I don't know, it's gonna be a great day. This is one of the most impressive cars to me. This car ran 850s yesterday, and full interior. Hood's not cut. Exhaust looks stock.
12 and 14, you will run the right-hand side of the racetrack.
I don't know, it's very surprising. Everybody's surprised about that
radial tire cars. A group, radial tire cars.
El Toro.
On the left lane. So you need to go to lanes 11 and 13. I see a bunch of you there already. Radial tire cars. Radial tire cars. You're going to run the left lane. I need you in lanes 11 and 13, please. If you're not there, and you want to make this first hit when the track is really groovy. Sorry about the pun. Actually aspirated category, even though it's not a class, but it's crazy to think how fast this guy has been so far. James McIntyre, they call him Doc. The 1968 Camaro, a whole lot of naturally aspirated big block Chevy goodness on the left-hand side. He will face Alan Mogi, the 1972 Camaro, C28 over on the right side. That's the gray car. Stock engine's ready.
On the left and an 850 on the right on that last pass.
But I'm sure James
we have Steve Morris right here.
With a digit one more than he put up. An 821, not a bad pass though. We're naturally aspirated.
All the cars have run 6s or 7s and a quarter mile. And now we have Tom Bailey's car up. Against a Camaro, not sure who it is. We're in a 668, letting it out. Yeah, you pedaled it right here to a 668.
At 230 miles.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good week. It's gonna be a sick week. He's in the 850 class, so they got the thing dialed in pretty good. That's Ruby with Cletus McFarland's channel. Now we have Mullet coming up here. Let's see how he does. Here comes Mullet. Uh-oh. Not gonna make a pass. Problems at the start from Mullet. Here's that green RX-7. Let out. 686, and he let out right here at the end. Nitrous fire. 691. Letting out with the chutes and everything, half track. Maybe a little past half track. Yesterday here, all the fast guys had their trailers and their trucks.
I love it. Don't tell my wife I took her car.
Just their cars and their little trailers. So they're in full sick week mode now.
Check out this rust-themed inspired pickup truck over on the left. It is Anthony Harville. 1982 S10. Yeah, that's the square body S10 when they first came out. It is awesome looking, man. He carried the rust theme all over this thing. A little American flag on the back and a parachute. It looks pretty cool. Sheridan Kloster, 2012 Caddy CTSV. Who says you can't run single digits and do it in style?
Parachutes there.
Wrap it with purple and you can't possibly miss it. They're bumped and ready. Little wheelie action there from the Cadillac. Sharon says, please allow me to lead. The S10's going to keep it close though. 1039 to a 1064 for that pair.
Drive it. Have fun with it.
Once again,
Roadkill guys. Michael Finnegan and David Freiberger again. It's awesome. All the GoPros. See that on the episode of Roadkill.
one of the 6 of the Mag guys can check in with me and let me know. All right, ladies and gentlemen, once again, working our way through the B class. The B class. We'll be back on.
Motion, guys. So it is 1:20
at the map. The guy behind us and the Roadrunner, met them yesterday. We've been hanging out with them. They're awesome. So they're gonna ride with us, follow us down there to Orlando to our next stop. I think don't we have a stop on the way, a pit stop or something?
Yeah, we got 2 checkpoints.
All right, 2 checkpoints we have to go to. A little bit of traffic here. We're gonna get out of here and do some cruising. I think we got 115 miles today.
Yeah, there's David Newbern right there.
Been driving about an hour. This is our checkpoint, little museum. Got the picture? Got to get out of the way real quick, but that's our checkpoint. That was our first checkpoint. We're going to Old Town now. We just zoomed in there and got a picture. Got out of the way so other drivers could get in there and get their pictures and get on their way. But nice little cruise so far. We've just been on back roads, Highway 64, and the car's doing great. The guy behind us, he's doing great. He's got a very nice Roadrunner, so he's having no problems.
Getting ready to turn right now. Just follow the white car.
Race car. Bird. Race car. We're now in Old Town and we have to take a picture with just something in the background from Old Town. The car's doing good. It's now 3:48. A couple other racers here and some spectators. We're gonna go ahead and head out of Old Town. We've been here for, I don't know, an hour or better. So gonna head to the hotel, about a 45-minute trip. It's 5 o'clock. So we're gonna try to beat traffic and try to beat the sun going down. I'd like to be at the hotel before dark. Headed to the hotel. Me and David's been searching out Costco's and Sam's. $3.47 per gallon, and up the road is $4.10 per gallon. So saving us some money on our fuel situation. Now we're at 17,909 miles. Close it out, buddy. Made it to the hotel, Courtyard Marriott. We're probably 15-20 minutes from Orlando Raceway.
Yeah, like 15 minutes.
Okay, so yeah, tomorrow we'll be hitting Orlando. Looks like it's gonna rain, so not sure what's gonna happen there. Temperature's gonna be in the 50s, so I don't know. We'll see what happens tomorrow. And car's still running great. We're hitting the Costco's to save money on gas. Everything's going good, trip's going good, and I think that's gonna do it. Hope you guys are enjoying the trip. We're having a fantastic time. Crazy things are happening at the track already on the first day, and it's awesome. So
yeah, y'all need to be just look at Tom Bailey's YouTube video channel. They're doing live feeds every day, so you can. The live feed's actually great quality. They got several cameras. They got announcers. So if you've got time, and even now you can go back and watch all the day one live stream is on Tom Bailey's channel. You can go back and watch it there. So
yep.
Plenty of action going on every day.
All this is on live stream and replay and all that. A couple of nasty wrecks today. Hope everybody's okay with that. But yeah, hope you guys are enjoying this. We'll see you next time.